I hope you all can see me because it's actually dirty over here. I can't say properly, but yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's kind of dark right now, and lights गए घर पे तो इसलिए मैं टेरेस के ऊपर आया. So yeah, so basically tomorrow I'm going to meet my friends and we are going to have some time and yeah, we're going to enjoy. So I'll be waiting for tomorrow. So then I thought this video will be damn small, so that is why I thought let's just make this video like little bit longer. So I thought we'll make some trick shots, 10 trick shots. If I do 10 words, if I do 10 trick shots by tomorrow, I am going to do something great. Okay, I'll be releasing my diss track very soon, but the release date of my diss track is 14th March. It's a diss track. It's gonna come soon out on YouTube, and it's on somebody. I can't tell you the name. You'll come to know later on. So yeah, if you stay tuned if you want to listen to that song, and if I do 10 trick shots by tomorrow, yeah, I'll release that song early, like on 12th only I'll release it. So let's do the first one. So the first one is I'm going to take my slippers, I'm going to flip it, and it's going to come like standing like this in the own. That's easy one. So let's do that one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this trick shot. I'm have to gonna do like this, and I have to slip, like flip, and then it should stand like this. So let's do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, no, I am not going to count this one. So this is the first attempt. It should come barabar like this, straight, but this side should be facing here. Sorry, let me just on the light. Hold on, guys. Oh, there's no. Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys. So yeah, so let's do it one more time. Crap. See, I told you. You might think it is easy, but it's hard. 3, 2, 1. Nah, man, I'm not going to take like this. It should come like this. Okay, it should come like this, straight. Okay, let's do it. Yes, guys, I did it, guys. Finally, I did it properly. So this is the first trick shot. Yeah, so this is the oh fuck, it's become too dark. That was the first trick shot, so it's being dark right now. I'll go down and do the rest. So yeah, see you downstairs. Yo, so the first trick was easy, kinda easy, but kinda hard. So now I'm gonna do the second trick, which is I'm going to flip this and it should stand here. So I'm going to do this and it should come like this. Okay, so let's begin with this. Yo, so the next trick shot, the third one, is going to be a border flip. So let's just do it. We are going to do it in the same position. So I'm going to throw it there, okay? It's right there. It's flipped. Guys, finally, it's flipped. So after the third one, this is the fourth one, which is going to be the flip. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that. Okay, I'm not going to count that. Oh shit, got saved. I'm going to play it over here because by manga yaar. Okay, so let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Fuck. One more time, guys. 1, 2. Okay, I have to do 5 like that, man. Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8, 9. Yo, guys, come on, last one. 10. Done. Yeah. So guys, last trick of today is going to be the cap flip. I'm going to flip the cap and it should come over here. Like it should come landing like this, or it can be like this because my hair is kind of big. So if it comes like this also, oh, so close. If it comes like that also, I'm going to count it. So let's do it. I'm going to keep the camera here and let's start. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Fine. Okay, one more time. Fuck. Okay. Oof. Okay, one more time. Fucking last trick of this video. 3, 2. I know I said 10, but come on, let's do it 5 because it's gonna be a very damn long video and I don't want you all to waste your time. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ah, crap. Okay, so guys, that was only the 5 tricks which I could do because I can't do 10 because the video will be too long and waste of time. So yeah, so if you like my trick shot idea, so tell me, I can do much more trick shots with you guys, with the football, with anything. So if you like it, just tell me. And music video is going to be out by 14th March. You'll love it, trust me, and it's gonna be funny. You'll laugh and you'll make memes with it. You can do anything and do everything. See you tomorrow, guys, when I'm gonna meet my friend. So yeah, peace out for now. Yo, so it's the next day. So guys, this is my outfit. So now I'm going to pick up Ronaldo. From there, we are going to NIBM to meet my friends. So right now I'm going to take my bike and just leave. So see you guys soon. And yeah, we'll have so much fun today. Peace out. What's up?
रोने का दिन के अच्छे गाने सुनने का रोने का क्या अच्छे गाने सुनने का
What's up, boys? So where you are? Hello guys, what's up?
We came from Cloud9 ना
Yeah.
we came from the other way police होते ना उल्टा लिया अपन नहीं रे this straight way
मार ए मेरे को लगा मेरे में क्या कर रहा 360 मार
Yo, I just realized that my mic didn't work, so here you go. So I just saying that we just played in the Gables Nation, and right now we are leaving. We all are going back home. So yeah, basically we had a lot of fun, and yeah, this is Ashmit. Yeah, shout out to the Ashmit. Shout out to the guy behind, and shout out to me too. Yeah, behind is Ronaldo's house. I just dropped him, so we are going back home. Yeah. Yo, so guys, finally I reached at my destination. My home is right here. It was a very long trip and it was amazing. I'm going to put a slideshow of some photos which we clicked, and yeah, we'll end the video till there. Stay tuned for my next diss track which is coming. It'll be coming. Release date is on 14th, so get ready. It's next Sunday. It's damn killer if you all like it. So yeah, peace out. See you that time.